Hello everyone and welcome to another video from the series Learn 3ds Max. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can start modeling with the basics objects available in our 3ds Max. So till now we were just understanding the UI of the 3ds Max. Now from this video we'll start the real modeling. So we'll move on step by step from small to the complex geometries, complex 3ds model. For this video, we are going to start with a box. Okay, so on the right hand side, what we call it is a command panel. This total thing, the options available here are known as the command panel. Okay, so on the top we are having a tab. It says create, which is currently opened up, and on the second it says modify. Then it says hierarchy and so on the other options. Okay, so because we want to create it, so we will go to the create tab, and upon clicking create tab there are a bunch of other options also. First is geometry, then shapes, lights, cameras and all that. If you are new to modeling, so this video is totally for you because we must have to learn how from the basics. Okay, but if you are kind of familiar to the modeling, if you are an animator or if you have done modeling before, you can know what this lighting, this cameras, and space swaps, and if you go to shapes, we have the line, circle. What this all things mean? What is the use of these lines and all these things in the modeling? So we'll come on to that. For this thing, we'll start with the box. So I'll click the first option, that is geometry, and then in the object tab, I will click the box. Okay. If I come to our perspective view, you can draw in any view. For this point of time, I'm going to draw in the perspective view. Okay, let's expand the perspective view. Click Alt plus W, will be in the full screen. Now the box is active here, so the command is active. If I click and if I drag it here and there, I haven't released my mouse yet. Okay, just by holding the mouse, you can go here and there. Whatever the length and breadth you want, you can choose. Then release your mouse. Now the command is not cancelled out, it is still active. If you move your mouse up and down, it will now ask for its height. Okay, mouse is not clicked yet, it is now free. So whatever the height you want, get to that point and then click. Okay, so it is done. Now the object is done. It is kind of the cube that we have just made. Similarly, for other objects, you can also. For this video, we'll stick to this cube. Keeping this cube selected, we can see it has a name assigned, that is box 001. It's a default name, and we have created it by the box method. We didn't created the cube method. I will come on to this cube method. Now on to bottom of that, we are having parameters. Parameter sets, its length is this, width and height. Everything is in meter because my units are in meter. So you can change the length from here. There are two small cursors here. If you can see, one is up and the other is down. You can just click and drag it up and down. Okay, just by holding the left click and moving your mouse up and down, you can also increase the length. It is quite helpful in creating the longitudinal objects. If you are from the architectural field of view or engineering field of view, you can create walls. Okay, from this. So now that it also have a width, you can go up and down and you can shorten the widths and like this. Okay, then it has a height, you can increase the height. You can see I have just made a wall. Okay, now there are three options also. These are going to be very important in our upcoming lectures, so please at this point of time you just have to familiarize yourself that what this length segments, SEGS, segs means segments, length segment, width segment and height segments are. If I increase the length segment, okay, if I just click it and if I take it to 9, you can see in the view there are lines increasing. These are the segments. Okay, if I increase it to, let's say, 16, then there will be 16 lines at equal spacing. Okay, when we are going to add this line, then we in the upcoming lecture we can see how we can modify its shape, how we can draw windows in it, how we can draw voids in it, how we can extrude it into the other portion. We also have a width segment. If we increase it, we'll have the width segment. This here we can have the width segment, and then we also have the height segments. Okay, if I increase the height segment, you can say we are having now segments in height also. So at this point of time, just you must have to know, just familiarize yourself that from where we can set this length, width, and height. Keeping the object selected, you can get it here. Or let's say if I accidentally click outside, if you click, let's say, right click on that side, if you just click the escape of, if you haven't selected this object and you want to change its properties, so click it again. Now the properties won't come in the create menu, it will be come in the modify menu. You must have to go to this modify panel, and now this, the parameters are again here. Okay, so I'll go and go to create, and I'll go to box again. And now at this time, I will tell you about creation method, how you can create. So if I choose cube, then it is always going to make a cube. So if I click it, and if I increase or take my mouse up, down, it is always going to make a cube. Why? Because cube has all the sides same. So 3ds Max is not giving us any chance of providing any length. If you provide the length, it will increase with the it will increase and it will convert it to a box. Okay, so whenever you want to do cube, you can do this thing. Another thing is we are having a keyboard entry here. This option is quite handy. Keyboard entry is helpful when you want to create an object by yourself at a certain coordinates. We are having coordinates x, y, z. If you want them at 0, 0, 0, then you can do it, and you can provide the length, and you can press create. So it will create an object at that place. Okay, so I have let's say we give a length of 5 meter, then I press create. So it is here. Okay, so we are having a cube. So through this you can also do it. I have selected cube, so width and height were locked. If you will click box, the width and height will be okay. So this was this method by which we have just done creating our objects. If you want to delete it, you can just press CTRL, that's Control plus A, that is Control All, and you can hit delete on your computer. So everything will be deleted. If you are, let's say I'm very zoomed out, I want to go into the frame, just press Z for the zoom, will come into the frame. Okay, so this was the video about how you can create the 3D objects. Okay, I hope you like it. Please try yourself, and please let me know if any improvement is needed, and if you like the contents, then please subscribe to my video. Thank you.